Welcome to Tradesman and YellowTunnel. My name is Vlad Karpel. I'm CEO and founder of both companies, and today we're going to have our weekly mechanics of the pick discussion of the model, AI model that runs every Sunday and provides signals in the market using AI and neural networks. And I'm using this patent pending neural networks to come up with the signal. In this example, I'm using option spreads. You can use stock or single options to express this bullish idea. Disclosures are very important. Please read them. All right, let's take a look at the market first and see what the next steps could be in the market, the next direction in the market. If you look at the spiders, model slightly negative, showing that 750 is your overhead resistance, 735 is your support. It doesn't see a breakout yet, and potential retracement falling below 50-day moving average on spiders. Model also just ran on the 1st of July for 6 months prediction, saying that there's not a lot of momentum below 730, and potentially there is a breakout in July. July has been a strong month and can reach 780 by end of the July. I agree with the model. I think on the downside, 730 or 720 is your downside. That corresponds close to also by that time 200-day moving average. So we've been trading in the range since May between 760 and 720. Focus will shift over the earnings season that starts next week. As long as there are no geopolitical escalations and interest rates are not moving, or perception of forward path of interest rate doesn't change, right? After the unemployment data, expectation is that we're still gonna have a rate hike, but maybe instead of October now, it's gonna be end of this year. So main focus will be on earnings, and that creates opportunity if the expectation that the earnings are still earnings are growing at double digits, and then potential breakout about 760 by end of July. So that's the setup. Buying July, one of the signals was in technology. We haven't had tech. Tech has been oversold, especially Magnificent Seven have been oversold. They're bouncing back, so we'll see if that bounce can carry into the earnings season. Apple close to all-time high. Buying 302.5, 307.5 call spread that expires in July, risking $3 to make $2. You can find more signals under Active Trader. Every day there are additional 3 bullish, 3 bearish signals that are being published. If you need more signals, I would encourage you to review Active Trader, Weekly Trader, or Monthly Trader. Thank you very much and have a great day.